My name is Arjun and today I'll explain you mixed numbers. So, what is a mixed number? A mixed number is a combination of a whole and proper fraction, or you could say whole plus proper fraction. How to read mixed number? Let's take an example: 3 and 1/4. It is called 3 and 1/4. Like 3 and 1/4. Like this. 3 and 1/4. It is spoken like that. Now convert a mixed number into an improper fraction. Let's see how. Let's take this example. 3 and 1/4. How to make this into an improper fraction? Let me tell you. Simple. Just multiply the denominator into the whole multiplier. When the answer will come, just add it in the numerator. So this will be 4 multiplied 3, which is 12, and 12 plus 1, which will be 13. So this will be 13. But 4 will be still there. Only then it will become an improper fraction. So now I will tell you how to convert an improper fraction into a mixed number. How to? Let me tell you. Here's an improper fraction. 9/4. Now make it into a mixed number. Simple. Just divide. I know you know that just how to divide this. Just do this. 9. But we won't divide the remainder like this. Here will be 2, 8, and the remainder is 1. Now we won't divide. We will actually write the quotient here as the whole and the remainder up in the numerator and the divisor in the bottom in the denominator. Like this. 9/4 can be written as 2 and 1/4. Like that. So now this is how to convert the improper fraction into a mixed number. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to see our second channel, Bab Beta Vibes, which is coming soon. Thank you. Bye bye. See you next time.